So originally when we purchased this house, there was a kind of like a deck floor down here, but it was really on top of dirt.
Yeah, there's some.
And there was a lot of, there was rug and odd stuff. Yeah, and you could see some of it there. So what we did is we removed everything because it was just a moisture trap and some of the wood was rotting and just a mess. So we're removing all that. We've got it down to the dirt. It was pretty much level already. So then we're bringing in crushed limestone, and we're adding about 2 to 3 inches, and limestone packs really good. And then on top of that, we are laying down pieces of granite. These are just scrap pieces. They're left over from making countertops for people. And what we're doing is we're going to place these, we're kind of hitting the edges a little bit with a hammer just to take the sharpness off them a little bit.
Yep.
And then what we're going to do, we're laying them in fairly close, and then we're putting some crushed stone in between once they're laid in there and kind of packed in. And you can see the effect right over here. And we have just odd shapes kind of laid in there. And it's, you know, not a totally finished floor per se, but compared to a dirt floor, this would be pretty cool.